In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a featured card using auto layout. So let's look at what we have created previously for the buttons. Just like food, we don't want to waste food, we don't want to waste components that was previously created. So if you guys remember the button component that we have created for the mask head, we just want to click on it, copy, and paste it. So once you paste it, it will be somewhere there. You want to create a button that is something similar but different, because unlike the mask head, you want a button that is physically there, so that you could see instead of the text. But it's up to you. You could choose anything you like. In this case, we're just going to select the default button. In the field, right panel, I'm going to choose a purple. I'm going to choose this purple. Okay, we chose this purple, but remember we want the radius to be round, corner radius. So 20 or 15. Let's just do 15, not 2000, sorry. 15. So there you have it. That's how we created this component. It's alright to have two. So we're going to go on to describe how to create the rest of the card. A card consists of image, some copy, and a button. That is in a card, just like a Pokemon card or anything, you have all the details there. So when you have something, a component like this, you can duplicate it and you can use it for your various activities. So start by keyboard R, draw a rectangle. So now that you have a rectangle, you do want the corner, only the top corner to be curved and the bottom is straight. So click on this icon so that it opens up the individual corners. Top corner 20, top 20. So both top corners, left right, are 20, bottom is 0. So that's what you have. Just going to change the background color so that you can see it clearer. That's what you have. Next, text. Two text layer, one text layer, T, type. Just going to type header, and shift, enter, drag, shift, click, drag. Now we got two layers. Header, go into typography, select, this is going to be header. Body, typography, body base. We could keep it as that. So making use of plugins, right click, we have, let's see what we have. Lore itself. We want sentences. Paragraph maybe. Let's do that. Click add paragraph. Oops, it went out of screen. That's really long. Let's undo it. Let's choose this and resize it so that it doesn't go out of place. Too much paragraph. Sentences 3 instead. Add. Okay, maybe sentences 2. Add. Alright, so this, you might go through the same thing as you are testing it out. Maybe you want something more, you want 3 lines, add. There you go, something like that. Now buttons, we want the buttons that we have created. So this is a component, remember, it's all colored. Keyboard alternate, drag this button out. Don't release alternate yet, release mouse click. There you have a variant of the button. Click and drag it to where you want so that you have these 3 elements placed together. Select these 3. Before you do so, just double check everything has its own box. Make sure you want to drag this text box so that it covers the line, as in the text lines, so that you have 1, 2, 3 boxes. 3 boxes, select all 3, apply auto layout. Now that they are nice and tidy, Maybe reduce it a little bit. Shift them around with these three selected. Keyboard shift, click image. As the image, apply auto layout again. Now that you have auto layout applied, you want to have some background color here. Do so by clicking View. At the bottom, we want something light. It's not really this. I'm just going to do a bit of shortcut, is that. Also, note that the bottom corner is curved. We want this bottom to be curved. See, because we have auto layout, notice that the corner peaks up. We want all corners to be round. So just going to add 20 for. So now that they're all 20, they're all curved. Let's add some drop shadow. Frame, scroll, effects. There you go, effects. So how now do we have this frame, this section? You want padding. Add padding to the bottom by selecting the frame, bottom padding, top padding. Side padding, no, we don't want that. We want bottom padding. You can select here, add bottom padding. There you go, that's what we want. Select the previously auto layout section so that we don't add padding to the top. So now that we have something that is similar, we have created a button, body, copy, the header, image. Select the image, text just rectangle for now, right click, plugins, save plugins, go to Riot, Lauren Ipsum, Riot, click, and we are still on the workout project, type workout. In this case, maybe we want something related to boxing. Just gonna do boxing instead of kickboxing. Boxing, click, and there you go. Boxing. That is a feature card on auto layout. Thank you.